Today I'm going to start a series of lessons how to use Cymatix NLU platform. First, you go to cymatix.com webpage and press sign in. If you're not registered, you can do it here. I already done that. This is an empty project space which is used for you to upload your project and start training. So let's create the first project which will demonstrate end-to-end process. So what you need to do is to go to your project folder, create new one, lesson 101. You can go here, and then you need to use your editor, whatever you like, and create configuration file, lesson 01 JSON. Please keep in mind the folder name and configuration file should have the same name. So I created lesson 01 JSON file. Here you specify a list of files included into the project. The first file would be test.txt, and basically that's it. So let's create another file with this name, text file, txt. So again, you have lesson 01 JSON file. Lesson 01 is the name of the project. So let's create the training file. Training file consists of sections. User sections is intended to specify all the utterances for your project. So let's use navigation topic, and we're going to have a few samples. So first item in the training sample is intent, and it's going to be navigate. Let's have the sample. Take me to Seattle. And bot, this is the next section. Section specifying what bot would reply. Okay, I will take you there. What we need to do is to create as many samples as possible. We create another section for that called define. And this is what I'm going to do. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I will show you anyways. Alternative to take, bring, get, drive, walk, or I have to be in, and alternatives to me. I'm showing you this as an example, doesn't mean you have to do it all the time. Me, us, them, or somebody could say my son, my wife, my father, and so on and so forth. You can continue. You got the drill. To, it could be to or two words. And instead of Seattle, it could be something like, well, Seattle, Vancouver, or something that we didn't specify. That's a symbol for unknown word. So, and in the sample itself, we replace the actual words with substitutes or macros. So we specify take me to Seattle. And at the end, you will get all combination of all those words as a training set. Let's upload to the service, train it, and deploy it. We go here, we specify the folder, the location of your project. We do upload. When you see this green sign, it means project was uploaded and verified successfully. Red light means the project is not started. In order for the project to be started, first you need to build it or train it. When you hover against the option in the menu, you can read detailed specification. And you go to all. All is a symbol for all layers in the project. So we build the whole project. Flashing red light means that it's built and built-in completed successfully. If we go to layer 1 in properties, we actually can see how many utterances were generated, 216 instead of 1. So, and once training is finished, the project was started for testing purposes, and you can test the project by clicking on the project itself, not on the layer, but on the project, and type in something like take me to something we don't know. Okay, I will take you there. You can click on the response. Now we only see the intent and the prompt. So let's make it more complex and do the following modification. We mark word Seattle or anything that resembles the place we want to go to as a target. And instead of take you there, we'll specify the target. And if we put dot in here to take the last value of slot T target from the inference stack. Let's upload it again and train it and see what's going to happen. Upload it successfully. Build. Flashing light means that it's training. And let's click on the same utterance. Basically, you don't have to retype it, just click. And let's see what's going to happen. Now we can see that item XXX, which was not specified in the training set, correctly recognized as the place we want to go to. Okay, so that's how you create your first project. This is how you can upload it, train it, and use it for testing. In addition to that, you can deploy a project in production. So start and stop means start and stop project in test mode. Deploy and undeploy means to start project in production. So just by pressing deploy, you will see cloud icon against the project name, which means the project is deployed in production. If you press undeploy, it will be removed from the production. Take a look at what kind of properties or what kind of information you can get out of this project. It's over here. And you will see here two things. One is a project ID. Project ID should be kept secret. It's a unique identifier that points to your project. Second piece of information is a session ID. Session ID is something that links specific user to that project. That would allow to have the identity of the user within the project on our backend. Please read about 3 types of memory our platform supports, and the meaning of the session ID will become more clear. In order for you to exercise REST API, you can just simply click on launch project command over here, and you can see the response is a JSON message with identifier, which is session ID. And the second one is example of user query. You just click on it, and you will get inference from Cymatix NLU backend, which contains intent, prompt, and reduced slot and their values. Also, you will see original utterance value. If you want to hear what bot would reply to you, you just enable talkback over here, and let's try it.
Okay, I will take you to Seattle.
As you can see, you can hear the talkback. Lock screen shows the detailed information, which includes every layer's input and output, so you can see each step of resulted inference.